Let's set up your payment method in WaBM. Click on Insights on Meta. Click on Overview. You will see a missing valid payment message on the top. Click on Add Payment Method. Scroll the page and click on Payment Settings. It will redirect you to the Billing and Payments page of Meta. Click on Payments Method on the left sidebar. Here, click on Modify Permissions and assign the Financed Editor role to yourself by clicking on Next and then Done. Now in the bottom, select WhatsApp Business Accounts tab, and on the right-hand side, select your WhatsApp account. Now click on Add Payment Method. You can edit your business name and currency if you need, and click on Next. Now add your card details and click Save.